So for the final part of this kimchi class, I have dressed a traditional Korean outfit used for ceremonial kimchi making. It's basically because it's going to get very dirty. So let's dive into it. The idea here is that you want to take every one of your pickled cabbage, as I was saying earlier, and stuff this mix in between the leaves one by one. So don't worry, you can just start rubbing in like this on the side first, on the back, and then put it down and start adding it in between like this. So every bit needs to be covered with the paste, otherwise the kimchi will not be good. So you can use an additional tray. You can use an additional tray if you want on the side, but I just like to put it in here with all the rest and just rub. So the actual mix that is falling down from the cabbage just fall back into the mix. So here it is, the first one, looking very nice. Before putting it into our box container, we want to kind of squeeze the excess kimchi out of the cabbage very gently, don't break it, and then fold it back, fold the top back basically like so. Okay, and then you will come and place it carefully into our box, and it fits perfectly. So moving on. Oh, my back is killing me. So one of the hard part when making kimchi is that your back has to hurt a lot, otherwise you're not making it right. So yeah, here is important, when you finish one layer in the box, you will come and add in between layer using the extra leaves that we had before, the external part of the leaves. So same here, just put them, garnish them, and then come and displace them like this on top. This technique actually helps a lot with preserving the kimchi longer. So the rest of the stuffing that is going to be on top doesn't fall down to the bottom of the container later on during the fermentation process. My back is like destroyed. Okay everyone, the kimchi is now down. I've had extra cabbage that I had to put in another box, but it's basically how it looked like. So up, filled to the top is the last part, would be the layer of external leaf that we had left. So don't try to stuff the box too much because the fermentation progress will occur and the liquid inside the box will rise. So don't put too much kimchi inside of it. It's better to put another box and cut it into another portion. For the fermentation process, in the first few days you will have to watch it out. The best is just to leave it out of the refrigerator for like 24 or 48 hours and monitor the progress of the first fermentation process. After that, you will be able to put it back into the refrigerator, and we're gonna seal 2 boxes like this, So the best would be, if you're not moving them out, to just put the lid on without locking, because otherwise the box can explode. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like it, maybe in the future we'll make more, but not kimchi, something else. My back will thank me. Anyway, see you guys. Bye bye.